Hey guys, so I know I just recorded, but Mom just was like, hey, I don't remember ordering this, but here you go. And hands me a package from Hellocube shop, and she opened it for me, and it's the Hellocube gear shift. So I love this package already, including this weird plastic film over it. Oh look, there's a Okay, so Hellocube Shop just got a card as well. That's weird. Just says to take a picture of me and my order. So let's just open this thing. So I already watched the tutorial on how to solve it, but I don't know how to. Oh, that's the sound of, yes. I love these kinds of stickers. Look at this. I can't see it, but it's like, you can hear it. Yeah. Oh, it even comes with a manual. That's cool. All right, let's do some first turns. So, oh, what the heck? Oh. Okay. Okay, and apparently you can just, you can just rip it apart and turn one of the sides. Okay, that's interesting. Nice, slam it back together. That's phenomenal. You can do it to other sides too. Now this would be a fun solve. Let's kind of scramble it up, I guess. Wow. Quite nice this is. Okay, so let me just try to do a quick solve on this. So, I see there's white on every single one of these, so I guess I just turn it until it's white. Okay. Well, I got the yellow side and the green side. So now I must pull apart. Just kind of turn it. Well, I accidentally solved it, so there you go. That's a cute solve right there. And this manual is very confusing. One out of 5-star manual. I'd say 5 out of 5 for the cube. I love the stickers. It turns very well. It's very satisfying to rip it apart and kind of eat it. Yeah. Overall, this is a 6 out of 10 product. 1-star manual, 5-star cube. This was Jack, and I must see you later.